We got an iPhone with a green screen,
Don't worry, I am here, okay?
which sometimes shows pink or green on the LCD. Don't forget to disconnect the battery first always. Customer tell us that after the iOS update, such happens. Don't touch this red mark section. This may damage Face ID. Nowadays, this problem has affected various 13 series iPhones. This is not a software glitch that can't be fixed by software update. If you do this may lead to delete your important data, be fixed by software update. If you do this may lead to delete your important data. LCD looks fresh and untouched. Remember this section and scratch gently. There are so many small lines on the circuit. If you use force, then the track may break or disconnect it, which may cause other issues. Here you have to find the proper pin that I mentioned here. See carefully. Check the continuity on the both pin. Here must be ground resistance on. Here you can see the white Apple logo. LCD looks normal and fully works, means the problem was fixed. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment below. It's me Akash from the GSM Solution. Peace out.